In this video, I'm going to show you all the necessary steps to download and install ArtVault 3 on your computer. When you purchased ArtVault 3, you received the purchase confirmation email. In that email, look for the paragraph Download ArtVault Pro and click on the link below. This will take you to a page on our website where you can download the ArtVault Pro installer. Click on the red button to do so. Follow the installer to your Downloads folder and double-click on it to open it. One license of FileMaker 16 is included in your purchase. So first, we want to install FileMaker Pro 16. In order to do so, click on the FM download link. This will download the FileMaker installer straight from FileMaker's website. Once completed, go back to the Downloads folder on your computer and double-click the FileMaker Pro 16 installer. In the window that opens, click on the blue FileMaker Pro 16 icon. Click Continue, Continue, Continue. You now have to enter the username, organization, and license key. You can choose any username you'd like. The organization, though, as specified in the purchase confirmation email, has to be ArtVault for the license key to work. Go back to the purchase confirmation email and copy-paste the FileMaker license key we provide. Click Continue. Agree to the license. Click Install to install FileMaker Pro. You might have to enter the password of your computer. Click Register Later. Click OK. Click Close. At this point, we recommend that you briefly open FileMaker Pro to get rid of any welcome screens that might appear. So you can do that by going to the Applications folder, going to FileMaker Pro 16 and double-clicking on the application. I didn't have too many screens now because I already used it on my system, but whatever windows appear, just click on the red X, make them disappear. Okay, so now FileMaker is installed. Step 2, let's install ArtVault 3. You want to drag that ArtVault 3 folder over to the alias of the Applications folder. It goes very fast. What that did is it actually placed a copy of ArtVault Pro in the Applications folder on your hard drive. We're almost done. To get started with the configuration and setup, double-click on the ArtVault 3 start. Actually, I'm going to stop here for a second. We always recommend that you drag that to the dock for easy access. So just drag the ArtVault 3 start. You have to drag it onto the right side of the divider in the dock. From here on now, you can just click on ArtVault Start in your dock and ArtVault will open. You'll be greeted with the introduction window. You click Continue. You have to accept our license agreement. And you now want to register and activate your ArtVault 3 copy on your computer. It's important that you go back to the purchase confirmation email and you copy-paste the registered name as it is stated in that email. If you type anything else in that field, the serial number will not be recognized and will be shown as invalid. I'm doing it on purpose here because I don't want to reveal a real serial number. Before I click Activate, I will pause the video and replace this with a real valid serial number. Device name, you can enter anything here you'd like. This just helps you keep track of your ArtVault activations if you are using it on multiple computers. Click Activate to proceed. You're now asked to set up a user account. This is a local user account. The information you enter here doesn't go anywhere. It stays within ArtVault Pro on your computer. Please take a note of your password somewhere. There is no way that we can recover a lost password for you. There is an automated password recovery function. So if you enter an email address here, if you forget your password, you can have a one-time code sent to that email address, and it will allow you to pick a new password. So that's a recovery function that's built into the program. Aside from that, though, we really have no way, there is no way for us to get into your ArtVault Pro installation and recover data. So if you don't enter a valid email address and you forget your password, you will be permanently locked out of the program and lose all information in it. So we really suggest you take care of both the password and the recovery email address you're entering here. Then click Continue. You're now asked if you want to start a new collection or import from a previous version of ArtVault Pro. I'm going to leave it as New Collection. Click Continue. Now this will set up the first contact record in ArtVault Pro. So you can fill that out. You can fill out as little or as much as you want. You can always complete that later. I'm going to say Continue. And we're now done. So it's asking me to re-log in with the account that I just created. And we're all set. When ArtVault Pro first opens, you will see a welcome screen that tells you how you can get help and tells you all about the new features in ArtVault 3. If you don't want to see this, you can uncheck this box, click Continue, and you're now ready to get started.